Welcome back to Brewfix, where we keep your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated. Today, we're tackling a real question many people ask. Is it worth saving a rusty coffee machine? I'll show you how to inspect, clean, and assess a machine that's seen better days, and help you decide whether to restore it or retire it. First look, what are you dealing with? When you first spot rust on a coffee machine, don't panic. The key is knowing where the rust is. Surface rust on the frame or screws is common and easy to clean. But if you find corrosion inside the boiler, near electrical terminals, or affecting the pump or heating element, it could mean serious damage. Before doing anything, take a full visual inspection, inside panels, under the drip tray, and around the boiler. Tools and materials needed. You'll need a few essentials: a wire brush, fine sandpaper, rust remover, food-safe metal polish, protective gloves, and a multimeter if you plan to test components. Always unplug the machine and work in a well-ventilated area. Having a vacuum or air blower nearby helps remove loose debris and dust once you start cleaning. Evaluating the damage. Not all rust is equal. Light rust on outer panels or brackets can be easily restored, but deep corrosion that eats into structural parts or internal tubing might compromise the machine's integrity. If the rust has reached electrical connections or water pathways, the machine might not be safe to repair without replacement parts. This is the point where technicians decide whether the job is worth it. Weigh the cost of parts versus the machine's value. Cleaning and treating rust. For light rust, start with a wire brush or sandpaper to remove flakes. Then apply a rust converter or metal polish to stabilize the surface. Wipe everything down with a damp cloth and let it dry completely. If you're restoring a frame or casing, consider adding a protective coat of anti-rust paint or clear enamel. For interior components, never use harsh chemicals that could contaminate the water system. Keep it safe and food grade only. Inspecting electrical and internal components. Rust and moisture are enemies of electrical components. Check terminals, connectors, and wiring insulation for corrosion or greenish deposits. Use a multimeter to test continuity and resistance, especially on the heating element, thermostat, and pump motor. If the rust has caused short circuits or insulation breakdown, those parts must be replaced, not cleaned. Safety always comes first. When it's worth saving and when it's not. So is it worth it? If your machine has surface rust and the major components still work, then yes, restoring it can bring it back to life for years. But if the rust has compromised boiler pressure, electrical safety, or frame stability, it's often better to part it out for spares or recycle it responsibly. Sometimes, knowing when to walk away is what makes a true technician. Maintenance to prevent rust. Once your machine is back in shape, prevention is key. Keep it dry between uses, especially around the drip tray and water tank area. Avoid leaving water in the boiler for long periods and wipe down metal surfaces regularly. If your workspace is humid, a small silica gel pack or anti-rust spray can make a big difference over time. So that's how I evaluate and restore rusty coffee machines, and how you can decide if it's worth saving yours. A bit of rust doesn't always mean the end, but knowing what's reparable and what's not saves you time and money. If you want to see the exact tools, rust removers, and cleaning products I use, check the description below. I've linked everything for you. Thanks for watching Brewfix, where we keep your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated.